It's a 2016 Honda Civic. With an energetic and unmistakable exterior, this thoughtfully designed Civic never plays catch-up. Continuing to push the boundaries of automotive engineering, this sedan's power steering and rear suspension offer greater handling for a more pleasurable drive. Surround yourself in safety with a multi-angle rear-view camera and vehicle stability assist with traction control. Plus, it's full of convenience features like climate control, LED daytime running lights, Eco Assist system, and an electric parking brake with automatic brake hold.
The climate control lets you set the temperature exactly where you want it. Feel confident getting from point A to point B with the navigation system. Hindsight is 20/20 with the backup camera.
Get ready to be amazed. Test drive this wonderful Honda Civic and make it yours today.
At Rusty Wallis Honda, our primary goal is to satisfy our customers. Stop in today. We're easy to find just off I-635 at Shiloh Road.